Okay, Highlevel Harris, the best affiliate on the planet. Now, this is how you're going to use snapshots in Highlevel. I've made a video on what are snapshots, but now I'm going to show you how you're going to use it to your advantage. And once you find out how overpowered snapshots can be, you're going to be mind blown. Watch. Just a brief one, just in case you don't know what snapshot is. I've made a video explaining in depth, but just quickly, what snapshot is that, say I've made my account, I've made my website, I've made my automations, my funnels, my everything. What I can do is I can copy what's in this account and push it into another account that you can use, for example. Or let's say you made an account, you made from scratch an account for a personal trainer, but now you've got another client, another personal trainer. What you can do is copy the first personal trainer's account and paste it into the second personal trainer's account and just change the logos and that sort of thing, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna show you how you're gonna do that. By the way, if you want my personal snapshot for my SaaS account, if you join my affiliate, I give it to you for free. Here's all the benefits you get. So you'll get my website, you'll get my funnels, my automations and everything, okay? But let me show you how you're gonna use snapshots now. Okay, so what you want to do first is go into the agency view and go into account snapshots. Now this is assuming that you've already got a built up account that you want to copy from. So let's create a snapshot. Call it, I've got one of my clients, the personal trainer, so I can copy their snapshot. I call it a personal trainer snapshot, okay? And the account, his business is called Elite Fitness Club. So let's save that. As now you can see, the personal trainer snapshot is from the sub account Elite Fitness Club, and we've just created it now. So what Highlevel have basically done is copied everything in that account, okay? And then if we want to make another account, another sub account, we can paste what's in that account into the second one. So let's do that now. What you want to do is go into agency view and press sub accounts and press add sub account. And what you want to do is go into my snapshots and then you'll find personal trainer snapshot. My snapshot for you will be in the imported section, but because we did it for ourselves, this is what you do. So my snapshots, and you click here, select and continue. Let's add the account manually. This is just an example account. Let's put name can be example, last name can be example. I'll fill this out. Now the account is made, okay? So what we want to do is go to the side. What you want to do is go to the side and find our sub account, which is called example, remember? Click that. Now we're going into that sub account. Now what's interesting, because we've imported, if you go to sites, here it is, the website right here is done for you. We haven't done anything, this is live. So what we can do now, here it is, the website, just change the logo. So if you go into edit, change the logo to whatever the PT business's name is, which you do on Canva. Change that, for example, yeah, let's say we just change it to whatever my logo is. So do you see how you can just change the logo? You can go in, edit everything, make everything theirs. And if you're wondering how does your client, your PT, get access to this software, get an account, I've made a separate video on how your clients actually get their account in the description. I'll put the video in the description. Just click on that and you can watch how your clients will get their account. Okay, so that's a quick video on how to use snapshots. Make sure you watch my playlist Getting Started with Highlevel and the second one, which is websites and funnels, to gain a full view. But I hope you realize now that how powerful snapshots can be, because you can literally copy and paste as many times as you want into as many accounts as you want. So it's really cool, and yeah, that's it. Thank you.